Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. So I still have like a lot of energy and I want to do something really stupid. So I was thinking for like a couple of days now to like bleach wash my hair, but my hair has been previously bleached. Like it's so heavily bleached. I can't even comb it very well. That's the reason why you see me looking like, you know, a tiger or like a lion, because my hair is it's just damaged. But I have seen my hair in like worse situations, you know, when I was doing my hair on my own. So what I want to do is that I wanted to strip the color off first using some ingredients that you can find in the kitchen. So baking soda, dishwashing liquid, and then a developer, and then a little bit of shampoo. So as you guys can see, it is now brown, and I wanted my pink back again because, as you guys know, I can't help it, but like I love this. I love what's going on right now, but I kind of want my pink back, and I already have the pink color. It's there in our bathroom, but for that to really work very well, I need my hair to be, it will work here, don't get me wrong, but I need it to be like a little bit lighter. As of the moment, I feel like my hair is like a level 6 or 7. Hope you guys could see that. And my hair, it's like so freaking light. Like it was so light, and then I did a root melt, but I like the root melt that I have right now. And the whole reason why I wanted to do a root melt is because so that I don't have to bleach my roots. But I feel like the root melt is like too long, kind of grew. I like it still, but I just want something a little bit fun in the meantime. So anyway, these are the things that I'm going to be using for this idiotic project. Let me damage my hair one more time, and then I would go bald. So I have Dawn, I have Mrs. Baking Soda, and then I have my developer. So we're just going to mix these all together and just go ham it on my hair. I know it's going to dry the living shit out of my hair right now. So I'm just going to turn around so you guys can see the before color. Can you guys see my hair or my back fat? Okay, this is what the color, this is what my hair looks like right now. And you can still see, this is actually pink before. But when I had the root melt, after having the root melt, my hair looked like, this one looks like brown now. So I wanted the pink back because that's what I want. So it's like basically I want the shadow root here and then just pink here. You guys get the picture? It's kind of like that. But it's kind of hard to explain, but hopefully we achieve something with what I'm doing. Hi guys, I'm back. I know I'm supposed to do it that same night. However, John Ray was like so hungry, and it is my responsibility to feed his skinny ass. So let's get into it, okay? I'm not gonna make this video like super long because I know for sure that you guys just wanted to like really see what it looks like. So I have some alligator clips here. These are my favorite hair clips all the time. I use it for sectioning as well. So I'm just gonna section my hair first. I already combed my hair, it just doesn't look like it. So the reason why I'm sectioning is because I wanted everything to be like super exaggeratedly, completely saturated. So I'm gonna wear my gloves. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the baking soda. So I'm just gonna eyeball this one, guys. Hope you guys are okay with that. That's always something that I do, not unless I have a client and I have to remember what they like. And the reason why you keep like measurements is when they come back to you, they're gonna ask like, oh, I wanted the one that you did last time, you know, so. And then I have the dishwashing liquid. It doesn't have to be specifically what I'm using. So and then I have my 10 volume right over here. felt like I just inhaled some of that baking soda. And then I just wanted to add a little bit of olaplex just to be on the safe side. Though this is not going to damage the integrity, or it's not going to damage my hair, but I still wanted to have that, you know, just to have like an extra blanket with what I'm doing. So this product is actually perfect when you're bleaching the hair. Helps out a lot, because my hair could have been like it could have been in a very, you know, worse state. And also I'd like to add a purple shampoo, so you don't have to add this if you don't want to. This is just to cancel out the brass. Okay, I think that's enough. So this is a shampoo. This will also dilute, you know, the chemicals that we're going to be using. So we're going to mix this really nicely, and then we're going to go to the bathroom because I don't want this to drip in my babe cave, because if that happens, then I don't know what's going to happen. Oh! Alright. So before everything gets worse, let's go to the bathroom. Alright guys, so we're gonna move fast. Typically, I don't really comb my hair that much, and I always use a brush when it comes to combing my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and start in the front. Hopefully this is clear enough for you. Okay. I don't like that. And then maybe after this, maybe after a week, I'll tone my hair. Saturating in my entire head, so I ended up with 2 buns. Of course, I ended up making another batch because my hair is kind of long, so I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes just so, because I don't want to repeat this process anymore. I just wanted to do like just one quick run. Shower cap, and then I'm gonna wash my hair, you know, eat a little bit, and then I'll be back. Hi guys, so it is time for the big moment, and obviously my hair is still freaking wet, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Ooh, do you guys see that? Okay, so I'm gonna unravel this in front of you guys so you guys could see what the heck is going on. My hair is back, you guys. This is exactly what my hair looks like. I hope you guys can see how light this is. Oh my gosh, the camera doesn't do justice. I'm only using the iPhone camera, but let me see if I can get a better view. Hold on. Alright guys, that is definitely a better view of the hair that I have. So it's pretty nice. It lightened up really good. Hi guys, so this is the finished result. As you guys can see, it lightened up really nicely. Now, this could have looked 10 times better if I blow dry it and flat iron it or do like any thermal hairstyling with it, but I wanted to, you know, save my hair. You're probably thinking like there's nothing to save with your hair, but like I promise to you, my hair doesn't really look, okay, it looks dead, but it's not really. It's always been like that every time I have blonde hair. So this is what it looks like. And then let me turn around so you guys can see. Just want to let you guys know that this procedure is extremely drying, and I don't recommend for you guys to leave the product longer than 30 minutes into your hair. I already use a purple shampoo, but I'm thinking of like toning it with a depositing conditioner, maybe the one that I have, but I'm not so sure when I'm gonna do that. So this is the finished result. Hope I was able to help you guys. Close my hair. So now with this type of hair color, I'm pretty sure that the pink will show off 10 times better. It will be even more vibrant. So I'm gonna do that on my next video. So if you guys wanted to see that, just stay tuned. I know I do look like a crackhead right now because I believe I need to tone it, and I'm pretty sure if I do like, you know, a beach wave with this one, it will look 10 times better. So I hope I was able to help you guys through this video. Also, just want to let you guys know that the purple shampoo and then the Olaplex are just like my add-ons. You can add whatever treatment that you have or whatever shampoo. It doesn't necessarily have to be the same exact thing that I have. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you are still not part of the Sassy family, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on, watch out for my next video, and then I'll see you guys next time. Bye!